Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to add a user on Windows 10. So let's begin the video. Click the Start menu and go to Settings. Now from here, click on Accounts. From the left sidebar, click on Family and Other Users. Under Other Users, click on Add Someone Else to this PC. Now you have to choose how to sign in. If the user have a Microsoft account, then enter their email or phone number. And if they don't have a Microsoft account, then click on I don't have this person sign in information. Now you have to click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter username, create a password. This is optional, and then click Next. The new user will now appear on the login screen and have their own desktop and settings. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.